Hello, and welcome to the Spatial Model tutorial number 7. The current video is about training a pair object. After you finish this video, you will be familiar with the process of pairs training, manually and automatically. Pairs training is done under 3 situations. 1. After server reset. 2. Automatically once a week on Saturday night. 3. Manually. In this video, you will learn how to train a pair manually. Select a pair from the list of pairs in the Spatial Model's main screen. Then click on the selected button. The pair controlling panel will show. Move the pair state into pause, using the green cycled button, and then click on the Learn button cycled with red. After that, switch the pair state back to run. If you close the pair control panel and refresh the main screen, you will notice that the selected pair is now in italic font. This font indicates that the pair is waiting for the learning process. Depending on the server load, you will notice after a while that the pair have switched to learn state. The learning procedure takes between 30 seconds to a few minutes, depends on the amount of data in use. Once the learning is over, click back on the circled button to reopen the control panel. Within the pair control panel, switch to the last tab titled Learn Chart. Select the proper flow regime from the drop-down field and click the Refresh Chart button. This action will present the result of the learning procedure. The result is the selected delay time between the 2 stations for each flow regime. The presented chart shows for each possible delay time, the calculated score function. The best result, which is the highest value, is marked with a vertical red line. Its value is also displayed in the circled field. This value is the delay time used between the 2 stations for this flow regime. If something went wrong during the learning procedure, you would see the proper message at the Log tab. In case all went okay, the pair will return to run mode. Please note that usually, this procedure is performed automatically for each pair. Furthermore, this procedure is required only for pairs that do not learn the flow delay from another pair. These pairs are in bold font in the main list. We hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you have any comments, please update in our website.